Hello and welcome to this week's assembly on the Hindu festival of Holi. The festival is really popular amongst both the young and the old in all parts of the world, wherever Hindus gather. And the festival has several things that it reminds Hindus of. First of all, it is based on the story of Prahlad and Holika. And the story goes that once upon a time there was an evil king who demanded that everybody worshipped him. But to his disappointment, his son, Prahlad, refused to do so. His father tried every method he could think of to try and get Prahlad to worship him, even resorting to doing things like locking his son in a room full of poisoned snakes. But every time his plans to kill his son failed, for Lord Vishnu would rescue Prahlad. But so exasperated was the evil king that he even tried to enlist the help of his sister Holika. Now Holika was in possession of a magic cape, and this magic cape would protect her from fire. So she hatched a plan to try and get Prahlad to sit on her lap while she walked into a bonfire. But unbeknown to Holika, the magic cape only protected her, not anybody else. So as she walked into the fire, with Prahlad sat on her lap, she was consumed with fire and killed, whereas Prahlad survived. Thus the story of Holi gets its name from Holika, and it reminds Hindus that good can triumph over evil. So for Hindus, the festival of Holi marks new beginnings. It marks the coming of spring, which reminds them of new life. But also, as we've seen from the story of Prahlad, it also symbolises the fact that good can overcome evil. You're now going to watch a video which shows how Hindus that live in the UK celebrate Holi. So as you have seen from the video, the festival of Holi is a time that brings new hope. It's a chance for everybody to grow and to start again, to have new beginnings. So if springtime is a time for new life, a chance to start things over again, to grow new life, what will you do with this opportunity? What new things will you try to do? How will you try to develop yourself? So what kind of things are you going to do to try and make your life or the lives of others more colourful during this springtime? For those of you who don't get involved in extracurricular activities, you might consider joining a club. You might seek opportunities to grow as an individual, or as we've said, if you're in the upper school, think about preparing for college. What do you want to do with the future? What kind of career do you want?